Look at it. Everywhere is burning. They set everything ablaze, destroy everything because they knew they are failing. Look at it. Because if you check the paper, everything is labor. Look at it. Everywhere is. They destroyed everything. Everything is destroyed. Look at it. All Nigerians people should stand up. Stand up. Look at
what governor just did. This is governor's word. Look at what governor did. If we were here a few hours before this thing arrived, the ward chairman were there, the local government chairman, the liaison chairman was there. The governor, look at what he did. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, this is his word, So he has refused us not to vote. This is what he did. They have come here to scatter the full election. They have come here to scatter the election of today. This is what the new PDP did. The new PDP, because he knew that he's not going to win. This is what he did. The new PDP, that's the governor's PDP. He came here with some talks. This is what he did. Scatter the everything.
Baba,
thank you. Yes.
Osamede.
Yes. That's the
Ruben.
A lot of them.
This is ODUA TV Watch, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share, so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.